ScreenPal, originally called Screencast-O-Matic. It's been my favorite tool for both video creation and editing and image screen capture and editing. But in the screen capture mode, there has always been one shortfall that's finally been addressed in this very latest release of ScreenPal. Let me show you what the problem was before the new release and how it's been fixed and addressed with the latest release. ScreenPal, which has added a new feature, addresses a problem with ScreenPal. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm doing a right-click on the Avast Secure icon, which brings up a menu. I want to take a screen capture of that menu. But when I use the shortcut key to open the screen capture in ScreenPal, watch what happens. For me, that shortcut key is the Control key and 1. So let me go ahead and do that. Control and 1. And the second I do that, that menu disappears. There's nothing there for me to capture. All I can do at this point is just escape and that attempt to make a screenshot. The latest update to ScreenPal has introduced a time delay feature. Let me show you first how to activate it, and then let me put it to use, and let me show you what happens using that time delay. Again, do a left click on the ScreenPal icon, go back to the settings. We want the general settings, not the shortcut setting, the general settings. And here we want to enable screenshot on delay. Now you can close this menu. Now that we've enacted that delay, again, let me open up the screen capture by using my shortcut keys of Control and 1. And as you can see on the instructions, it says use the key 1 through 9 to take screenshot on a delay. So 1 through 9, 1 is a very short delay, 9 is longer. And since I'm doing a demonstration, I'm going to select 9 for the delay. I will then reopen that submenu under the Avast icon, and we'll go from there. So I will press the 9. I will now do a right click on the Avast icon, wait for the timer to finish. You notice that menu is still there. Now I can select what of the screen I want to capture. In this case, I only want to capture this portion. And from here, I can now go ahead and do stuff with that image. I can open the image editor. I can export to an image file on the computer, or I can publish the image to the internet. In this case, we're going to open it in the editor. And as you can see, that image, which I couldn't capture before because it disappeared the second I hit my shortcut keys, is now available for me to work with. So if you've been frustrated by not being able to capture certain things while using ScreenPal, update to the latest version and your problem will be solved once you activate the time delay feature in ScreenPal. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helped, and thanks for watching and listening.